Chew one clove daily on an empty stomach and see what happens to your body organs. Cloves, scientifically known as Syzygium aromaticum, are aromatic flower buds of a tree native to the Maluku Islands in Indonesia. This versatile spice, commonly used in cooking and traditional medicine, is known for its distinct flavor and numerous health benefits. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, cloves have been used for centuries in various cultures for their therapeutic properties. Here's an in-depth look at the health benefits of cloves and why they deserve a spot in your daily life. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants. Cloves are loaded with antioxidants, particularly eugenol, a compound that helps neutralize free radicals in the body. Antioxidants are essential in protecting the body against oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Including cloves in your diet can help boost your overall antioxidant levels and protect your cells from damage. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. The eugenol in cloves also acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, which can help reduce inflammation and pain in the body. Studies have shown that clove extract can reduce markers of inflammation and may be effective in managing conditions like arthritis. Consuming cloves or using clove oil topically may provide relief from pain and swelling. Number 3. Alleviating dental discomfort. Clove oil is renowned for its effectiveness in soothing toothaches and oral pain. A past study involving 73 adults demonstrated that a gel containing clove was as effective as benzocaine, a local anesthetic, in reducing discomfort from mouth injections. Additional studies have suggested that clove's antimicrobial properties may help decrease oral bacteria, potentially preventing the formation of plaque, gum disease, and tooth decay. Number 4. Influence on blood glucose. Initial studies indicate that eugenol, a component of cloves, might have the potential to reduce blood sugar levels. However, most research has been conducted on animals, making it premature to suggest specific dosages for managing human blood glucose levels. A single human trial with healthy participants showed that using clove extract for 12 days resulted in a slightly greater reduction in blood sugar compared to a placebo. However, the difference was only 3 mg per deciliter, which may not be clinically significant. Number 5. Cancer prevention. Laboratory studies have examined cloves' impact on cancer cells. A review of eugenol suggests potential effectiveness as a cancer therapy either alone or in combination with chemotherapy. However, it's crucial to note that supplements and herbal remedies cannot treat, cure, or prevent diseases. Opting for alternative therapies, instead of conventional chemotherapy, may lead to worse outcomes. Consult your cancer care team before incorporating any new supplements or herbal products. Number 6. Itchy skin. Applying clove oil topically may help alleviate itching. A study involving 50 participants with chronic pruritus found that those who used clove oil experienced relief compared to those who used petroleum oil. Although these findings are encouraging, further research is necessary to fully understand clove oil's effects on itchy skin. Number 7. Reduce stomach ulcers. Research suggests that eugenol, a compound found in cloves, might help alleviate stomach ulcers. Stomach ulcers, also called peptic ulcers, are painful sores that develop in the stomach, duodenum, or esophagus lining. Laboratory studies indicate that clove oil may also combat Helicobacter pylori, a bacterium associated with stomach issues like ulcers and potentially cancer. Number 8. Promote bone health. Cloves may also contribute to better bone health. According to 2014 estimates, approximately 43 million Americans suffer from low bone mass, which can progress to osteoporosis and increase the risk of breaks and fractures. Animal studies indicate that eugenol could potentially enhance bone mass. Furthermore, cloves contain manganese, an essential mineral for bone formation and overall bone health. Number 9. Boosts immune system. Cloves are packed with nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese, which are essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. The antibacterial properties of cloves also help fight off infections and improve your body's ability to ward off illness. Regular consumption of cloves can strengthen your immune defenses and help keep common infections at bay. Number 10. Potential liver health benefits. Research conducted on animals in 2022 suggests that extracts from cloves might help in repairing liver damage caused by thioacetamide, a toxic substance. The study particularly highlighted Eugenol, a compound found in cloves, as potentially beneficial for liver health. Number 11. Respiratory support. Cloves have been used in traditional medicine across different eras to address various respiratory issues, including coughs, colds, asthma, and bronchitis. The expectorant and bronchodilator properties of cloves can help reduce mucus production, widen airways, and alleviate congestion, making breathing easier. Regular consumption of clove-based remedies, such as teas, syrups, or inhalants may contribute to respiratory health. Number 12. Cardiovascular advantages. Cloves may have a positive effect on heart health, primarily due to their potential to lower cholesterol levels and improve blood flow. The compound eugenol, found in cloves, has demonstrated the ability to decrease levels of LDL, known as bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, while simultaneously increasing HDL, known as good cholesterol levels. Furthermore, cloves exhibit antiplatelet properties that may assist in preventing blood clots, thus reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Well, that is all about the health benefits of clove. However, here are some frequently asked questions about clove. Let's check it out. Question 1. How to incorporate cloves into your diet? Adding cloves to your diet is easy and versatile. You can use whole cloves in cooking, such as in curries, soups, and stews, or ground cloves in baking for an added depth of flavor. Clove tea is also a popular way to reap the benefits of this spice. Simply steep a few whole cloves in hot water, strain, and enjoy. Clove oil can be used topically, but it should always be diluted with a carrier oil before application to the skin. Question 2. Are there any side effects of consuming cloves? Consuming cloves in moderate amounts is generally safe. However, excessive intake can cause allergic reactions, mouth irritation, or gastrointestinal issues. Clove oil should be used cautiously as it is very potent and can cause toxicity if ingested in large amounts. Question 3. How can I use cloves in cooking? Cloves can be used whole or ground in a variety of dishes, including curries, baked goods, teas, and stews. They add a warm, slightly sweet, and pungent flavor to food. Question 4. Is clove oil safe for topical use? Yes, clove oil is safe for topical use, but should always be diluted with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil to prevent skin irritation. It is often used for its pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory properties. Question 5. Can pregnant women consume cloves? Pregnant women can consume cloves in small amounts, as part of a balanced diet. However, it is best to consult a healthcare provider before using clove oil or supplements during pregnancy. Question 6. Do cloves interact with medications? Cloves may interact with medications that affect blood clotting, such as anticoagulants or antiplatelet drugs, due to their potential blood-thinning effects. Always consult a healthcare provider before adding cloves or clove oil to your routine if you are on medication. Question 7. How should cloves be stored? Store whole cloves in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to maintain their potency. Ground cloves have a shorter shelf life and should also be stored properly to prevent loss of flavor and aroma. Question 8. How many cloves are safe per day? Consuming raw cloves is safe, but limit intake to 2 to 3 cloves per day. Overindulgence may lead to unwanted side effects. Cloves are commonly used in culinary applications and offer potential health advantages. Question 9. What is the best time to take cloves? Taking cloves on an empty stomach regularly may help reduce headaches and migraines. Another option is to mix powdered cloves with a small amount of rock salt in warm milk. Question 10. Why take cloves at night? Eating cloves before bed can aid in alleviating digestive issues, such as constipation, diarrhea, and acidity. It may also enhance overall digestive function. Question 11. Who should avoid cloves? Individuals on blood-thinning medications, such as warfarin, should steer clear of clove supplements. These supplements may affect blood clotting and potentially increase the risk of bleeding. It's also advisable to avoid clove supplements before surgical procedures due to their potential impact on bleeding risk. Question 12. Can I put cloves in hot water and drink? Adding cloves to hot water can offer several health benefits. This drink may help decrease inflammation, soothe muscle discomfort, and strengthen the immune system. Additionally, water flavored with cloves might improve sleep quality. You don't need to consume large quantities, simply add a few teaspoons of ground cloves to warm water for these potential benefits. Question 13. Is it okay to eat cloves on an empty stomach? Ingesting 1 to 2 cloves daily before eating is generally considered harmless for most grown-ups. Question 14. How do cloves affect male health? Cloves may offer a potential sexual advantage for men by possibly improving blood circulation to the genital area, which is the biological process involved in addressing erectile difficulties. Proper blood flow is crucial for achieving and sustaining an erection, and many male sexual issues are linked to poor circulation. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.